with neutral and live wiring required only for simple installation. Turn off the circuit breaker before installation. Please remove the protection film before using. Turn on the circuit breaker for power on. Select the language and country region before setup. Confirm what you have is 2.4 grams Wi-Fi for network connection. Now let's start the simple pairing with Tuya Smart app. Scan the QR code by Smart Life app for successful pairing. The smart sensors have been synced into the control panel. Your smart home devices in Tuya Smart app have been listed in the touch control panel. App control and touch control panel work well without any interference. You can even adjust the brightness and color in the touch panel easily. Tap to run the smart scenes you need an app, and then it will be synced into the control panel also. Customize the LCD screen with scene and device to your own taste. You can add the Zigbee door sensor into the gateway for successful control. No more need to purchase another gateway. All in one